Scenes of dangerous large chainsaws with unexpected power. Excavators like monsters in the deep forest. Automatic chainsaws in private sawmills. Crushers and wood splitters with terrible power. That's all I send to the audience watching this video of mine. Welcome to the next video of Forestry Techzz. Now let's watch with me the surprising and thrilling scenes in today's video. First, let's look at the H724G excavator mounted woodcutter and tree barker. A monster that reigns in the forest, just by its claws clinging to the tree trunk. After 1 minute, the tall tree trunk was gently knocked down. Very powerful, right? I really like this scene because it looks no different from a king crab using its huge claws to clamp its prey, making it unable to move and escape. Not far away, a logging crew is using a dual DW5200 SR1 gasoline chainsaw to cut down a tree. Oh my god! There was almost an accident. How dangerous! This time there was an accident where a car was testing its strength with a large tree weighing about 3 tons. Really funny. In conditions where steep hillsides are impassable for timber carts, horses are a perfect choice for moving large timbers. I am sure these horses were well fed before coming here to work. Next, let's admire the power of the Petzolata wood chopper. In a private wood workshop, the trees that do not meet the requirements to be made into products serving people are mostly cut into small pieces to make firewood for people. And the Petzolata will replace the manual axes to do that. It's very powerful, right? The next scene shows the richness of a guy's ideas. He used his ATV to make a cart to pull thousands of kilos of wood home. What a great and smart idea. Right guys? I think it's great. Now let me take a quick tour of a private sawmill in the US. A huge electric circular saw is in front of us. Let's watch it demonstrate its woodcutting skills. The next scene I want you to see is the Eastern-made woodcutting and firewood making machine. I only see that it has a very large circular and sharp saw blade. The wood will be moved on the conveyor belt there and cut into small pieces and put into a wood splitter with a very large gravity that pushes the wood into 4 to 5 small pieces. Its power is amazing. Oh, not bad. The cuts are very clean and the precision is also quite high. Its working ability is also quite impressive. Right everyone? A heavy-duty tree stump digger and crusher. A large tree stump digger with a huge payload. It crushed a tree stump in just 10 seconds. The smoke rising proves that the friction and rotation speed of the saw blade must be very terrible. Come with me to see the sawmill of my neighbor. An automatic electric saw and he is hard at work cutting wood. I see he is very skillful and talented. The wood is cut very beautifully. The next scene is an image of a beetle and a mantis using their claws and teeth like rocks to dig up tree roots and grind wood. That's all there is in this video that I send to viewers. Hopefully that little thing can help everyone feel happier and more interested when watching my video. But also remind those who are exploiting forestry timber to consider and exploit at a moderate level so as not to greatly affect the natural imbalance leading to frequent natural disasters and floods. Once again, Thank you to everyone who has watched this video of mine. If you find it interesting and meaningful, don't hesitate to like one. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to watch the next videos. See you in the next video.